Security cameras are great for protecting your home, but they can also be a target for hackers. Hackers exploit vulnerabilities to invade your privacy and compromise your home security system. In this video, we'll explain how hackers find your cameras, why they target you, and how to protect yourself. How do hackers find security cameras? Hackers use various methods to locate unsecured security cameras connected to the internet. One common method is scanning public IP addresses for devices that are not properly secured. They use tools like Shodan, a search engine for internet-connected devices, to locate vulnerable cameras. If your camera has weak security settings, hackers can easily find and attempt to access it. Even cameras on private networks can be found if they're not isolated or properly encrypted. Why would hackers target your cameras? 1. Spying on private moments. Hackers may want access to your cameras to watch your private activities without your knowledge. Some footage from hacked cameras has been shared online, invading the privacy of countless individuals. 2. Planning break-ins. Hackers can monitor your camera feeds to learn your daily routines or find vulnerabilities in your home. This information can be used to time break-ins when you're away or distracted. 3. Using your network for cyber attacks. If your camera is hacked, it can serve as an entry point for broader attacks on your network. Hackers may use your network to conduct illegal activities or target larger systems for attacks. 4. Ransomware and extortion. In some cases, hackers gain control of your cameras and demand payment to restore your access. They may threaten to release sensitive footage unless a ransom is paid, creating significant stress. Why would hackers target you specifically? Hackers don't always target individuals directly. They often scan for vulnerable devices indiscriminately. If your camera is unsecured, it becomes an easy target regardless of who you are or where you live. However, hackers may specifically target businesses or individuals with high-value data or assets. Protecting your devices reduces the risk of becoming a victim, even if you don't think you're a target. How to protect your security cameras. Step 1. Locate all connected cameras. Log into your router or use a network scanning tool to identify all devices connected to your network. Look for unfamiliar devices or any labeled as cameras that you may have forgotten about. Step 2. Change default passwords. Most cameras come with default usernames and passwords that hackers can easily find online. Replace these with strong, unique passwords that include numbers, symbols, and a mix of letters. Step 3. Keep cameras updated. Outdated firmware is a common vulnerability that hackers exploit to gain access to devices. Regularly check for updates and enable automatic updates if your device supports it. Step 4. Use two-factor authentication, 2FA. Enable 2FA on your camera accounts to add an extra layer of security during login attempts. This requires a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone. Step 5. Use a VPN with your cameras. Here's how to secure your cameras with a VPN. Choose a trusted VPN service. We recommend NordVPN for its strong encryption and ease of use with home networks. Install the VPN on your router. Configure your router with a VPN to ensure all connected devices, including cameras, are encrypted. Connect cameras to your router. Once the VPN is active, your cameras will operate within a secure, encrypted network. Test your setup. Check the VPN dashboard to confirm your cameras are connected and protected. Step 6. Disable remote access features. If you don't need to access your cameras remotely, disable this feature to limit entry points for hackers. Step 7. Monitor your network regularly. Network monitoring tools to detect unusual traffic or devices connected to your network. If something seems off, disconnect the suspicious device and reset its settings immediately. How Cyber AI pros can help. Navigating cybersecurity can be overwhelming, but Cyber AI Pros is here to simplify the process. We provide tailored solutions to protect your devices, networks, and data from cyber threats. Visit cyberaipros.com to learn how we can safeguard your home or business today. Conclusion. Stay one step ahead of hackers. Your security cameras should protect you, not expose your privacy. Take steps to secure them now. By following these steps, you can protect your home, privacy, and network from evolving threats. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others to spread awareness. Stay vigilant, stay secure, and let's work together to keep your home safe from cyber threats.